In this video, I'll show you how to add music on your Messenger notes. So to get started, go ahead and open your Messenger and make sure that you're signed in into your account. So in here at the top left corner of your screen, you can go ahead and add a note by clicking on that drop a thought button. In this section, you can go ahead and enter your thoughts into this box. So you can express how you are currently feeling to share it with your friends in Messenger. Once you click on this music icon, you can go ahead and add a music or song into your notes. So you can go ahead and listen to the specific song first before you go ahead and proceed on adding that on your note. So you can go ahead and explore the section or search for the specific song using the search bar that you'll find at the top of your screen. This feature is a very helpful feature that will allow you to actually share your favorite songs along with the thoughts that you have for that song with your friends on Messenger. That makes the app more engaging for each and every one. So once you have selected a song, go ahead and click on that specific song. You can go ahead and select the specific part of the song that you want to incorporate with your notes. So you can drag this to the left or to the right if you want to add the left side or the right side of the song as a part of your note. Now once you have actually selected the part, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right, and once you have finalized your note, you can go ahead and hit on the share button at the top right of your screen. So you can set your audience, your friends or friends and connections, or custom. Once you have this shared to your Messenger notes, anyone among your friends can actually view that note and listen to that specific part of the song. That is how you can simply add music on Messenger notes. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.